Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on some new buses that arrived for the JUTC. This year, the JUTC is to receive 100 new buses, 70 CNG buses and 30 diesel buses. And the JUTC receives 63 out of the 70 CNG buses. These buses will be sent to the Spanish Town depot, and they are actually building a CNG fueling station at the Spanish Town depot. Now, last year, the JUTC received 100 CNG buses, and it made a huge difference to the JUTC service. They had more buses, so they were able to cut down the wait times on a bus and increase the number of routes that the JUTC offered. So with these 100 new buses, we should see more improved service. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on the arrival of these buses. Also, the JUTC is to receive an additional 100 buses next year. So it would be 300 buses over a 3-year period. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, fleet has been boosted with the arrival of 63 new compressed natural gas CNG buses. Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Honorable Darrell Vaz, and a team from the JUTC were on site at Kingston Wharves to witness the arrival of the Yotong buses. The minister noted that arrival of the buses is a fulfillment of his commitment to provide the JUTC with 100 buses per year for 3 years. We are now in year 2 and already the second 100 buses are due to arrive in Jamaica. 63 buses arrived today and are being unloaded. Another 30 coach diesel buses for excursions or charters will arrive on July 9, and another 7 CNG buses for persons with disabilities will arrive in August 2025. So I will deliver on the second 100 buses within the first 3 months of the new financial year, Mr. Vaz outlined. He pointed out that with the latest arrival of buses, the JUTC now has more new buses in its fleet than older ones. Mr. Vaz said the new CNG buses will operate out of the Spanish Town depot, where a new CNG fueling facility is now under construction and expected to be completed by the last week of August. Those buses that are now at Spanish Town will be redeployed in some instances to improve the existing service and to continue to expand the route. So this is a game changer for public transport in Jamaica, the minister said. He noted that the JUTC has been seeing fewer complaints in recent months and commended the JUTC management for providing improved service to citizens. Mr. Vaz pointed out that the new buses will positively contribute to service delivery as they will reduce wait times on critical routes. Each bus has a full capacity of up to 80 passengers distributed between seated and standing. The minister explained that the buses will do an average of 6 trips per day, transporting at maximum capacity a total of 480 passengers per bus per day. This means the full cohort of 70 CNG buses will be able to transport 33,600 passengers per day. That is going to improve existing routes, expand routes, and most importantly, bring wait time for passengers down, Mr. Vaz affirmed. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.